Hello, Backtrack fans. I'm just working on a Eonon unit. It's a GA9263B. The problem with it was a CD stock. I won't recommend you to use this kind of CD for this unit because it's thick and it will get stuck. I already took it out. I tried with original ones and it works pretty good. It goes out. If I put this one in, it gets stuck. So you can see the CD got stuck. So I have to get it out again. Okay, so I got the CD out. So this brand is not compatible with the mechanisms. So if you use this brand, you're gonna have issues trying to get the CD out. So it's gonna get stuck. Please don't use this brand with Eonon units. Thank you. Have a good day.